take a look at this C3 Corvette. 1979 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe T-top car. Speaking of T-tops, this is a CC1 glass top car. The mirrored glass T-tops opposed to the silver solid colored body matching ones. Now this particular car, L82 engine, power steering, power brakes underneath the hood, is originally a silver car. Appears that it has had a repaint along the line. I'm guessing just due to oxidation and age of paint. So it does appear to have a repaint along the line. It's originally a silver car, oyster interior, so 13 code paint and 122 code interior, which would be leather oyster interior. This is a 4-speed car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, check out the engine bay, check out the interior, you can see the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. You can click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And these pictures, feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. As you can see, the paint in this car, great luster to it. Nice reflection coming off the lights in the ceiling. And you'll find a few little small chips or just little imperfections here and there, but there is not very many. Here's an example of what I'm talking about, like say that one right there. Not real big, pretty small. Paint's a very nice shape. Believed to be 34,000 original miles, according to the previous owner, and judging by this interior, the interior looks completely stock. 39,000 miles on this one, not 34, 39,000 miles. Again, believed to be original, according to the previous owner. If you look at the interior, it does not appear the interior has been touched, and that kind of coincides with the miles on it. But you can see up and down this car, very straight, not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Riding on the alloy wheels, white lettered rubber. Of course, the L82 engine was a higher horsepower in 1979, so you get the bigger 350 in this one, or higher horsepower 350. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract, so feel free to ask your sales associate when you call in or email on that. Dual exhaust, come around to the rear again. You can see the paint's in nice shape. Lots of times they'll start to age and check, and the paint will clear, will start to fade. And this one has gone through very, very nice shape. Look at how straight, clean up and down the driver's side is. Now, this has also had some service work done to it since 2018. So within the last couple of years, I'll go through what it has had done. Valve cover gaskets, spark plugs, tranny's been flushed. The pads and calipers in the front brakes have been gone through. Proportioning valve, window switch, parking brake warning switch. So some little stuff, and also some nice maintenance stuff has been done to it. Also a retro style radio was added. So let's check out the interior of this. You'll see what I'm talking about. All right, oyster color interior. Everything appears to be original, not all grimy, not full of rips and tears. Then come down and check this seat. You can kind of see how it's worn. It is not showing excess wear of a car that's going to have 80, 90, 100,000 miles plus on it. Again, carpeting, all nice shape. Original steering wheel, the condition that is in. Now this would have tilt and telescopic steering. Also played around with some of the stuff. Appears all the gauges work except the clock. Tack works, radio works, wipers worked, windows, of course. So let's go ahead and start this up. Let you hear it run, and we'll check out the engine bay. See how easily it starts? There's a retro style radio there. Heat controls. So nice and shape the dash is in. There's your miles also, 39,676. No crazy exhaust. What you'd expect a 79 Corvette to sound like. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause this video a second. I want to get this hood open so you can check out the engine bay. So hang on a second. Alright, check this out. She warmed up a little bit, came off high idle also. See it on low idle. Notice in the receipts too, this cold air, or I should say air intake, was replaced also. Some nice maintenance done on this car. Power steering and power brakes, like I said. Like HEI ignition back there. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. And again, L82. All right. There you go. Nice vet. Let's do this too. I want to show you the headlights work also. Boom. Flipped right up. So there you go, 1979 Chevrolet Corvette CC1 glass T-top car, L82, 4-speed, 39,000 original miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to the website and our pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So ask your sales associate about that when you call in, or we look forward to hearing from you.